When people think about Montessori, they think about natural materials for children like this wooden toy right here. I'm here to tell you that this does not mean it's Montessori. In fact, it may just be a way for companies to get you to pay more for a toy. Now, yes, it's true that Montessori favors toys made from natural materials like wood, metal, cotton, and glass. This is because compared to plastic, these natural materials inspire a connection to nature and the real world. The different textures offer a sensory experience and encourages exploration. It also taps into your child's natural inclination to explore. Natural materials help to build children's understanding of the reality of life through real experiences. By providing children with materials that can break, they will learn about the natural consequences of living in the real world. The problem is when companies capitalize on parents who want the best for their children. So what do? They will create a bunch of wooden toys and put the word Montessori on it to persuade parents to buy it. And because some parents don't know any better, they'll buy into it. The thing is, Montessori is a philosophy and form of practice. It's about intentionally teaching a child how to progress towards certain goals so they may become independent. So it's not necessarily about what materials are being used, but how the materials are being presented. Take the stick, for instance. If I were to just give it to someone and told them to go use it, it's not Montessori. Why? Because there's no clear goal to achieve. The child will be left to use their imagination to figure out what they can do with a stick. However, if I were to show them what they can do with it, for instance, peeling off all the bark and placing it in a bowl, then it's considered Montessori. That's because I have now set a clear goal for them to achieve with the stick. What's great with a simple task like this is that it goes beyond just showing a child how to peel bark off a stick. It's also exercising their fine motor skills as the fingers are peeling the bark. It's working on their concentration as they have to complete the goal. And it's also working on their hand-eye coordination as they have to grasp the small pieces of bark with their fingers. So instead of buying such expensive toys labeled Montessori in the hopes that your child would learn, try using things you already have in your home and setting a goal for your child to achieve with them. Remember, it's not about what you use, but how you present it. If you're wondering how to apply Montessori at home, I created a whole video about it here. I share 3 tips to help you bring Montessori to your home without breaking the bank. I'll see you there. Stay fresh.